Hi, I'm Matt Verlek, and I'm the Regional Administrator for the U.S. Small Business Administration in Region 8, which includes Colorado and 5 other states. In terms of preparedness, SBA has a number of resources such as webinars and online resources so that we can help small businesses break down the big topic of disaster preparedness into smaller pieces, because we feel like any piece that you can bite off and tackle helps to improve your percentage chances of survival in the end. So you can watch a webinar about crisis communications, for example, or you can get a PDF document from our website, sba.gov, about thinking through what are some of the mission-critical functions your business has to accomplish in a disaster scenario, and what things can you set aside until you're farther down the road. We also partner with an organization called Agility Recovery on some of these resources, and we've got a joint website at preparemybusiness.org. So that's on the front end, helping folks prepare for the possibility of a business. SBA also has important resources when it comes to recovery, because despite all of our preparations, we know that disasters will happen and impacts will occur. It's maybe a little known aspect of what the SBA does, but very important feature of our mission. We help small businesses as well as large businesses and even homeowners and renters in disaster scenarios when it comes to dealing with uninsured damages that occur from a disaster. So we have low-interest disaster loans for those categories of entities: the small businesses, large businesses, homeowners, and renters. For damages not covered by insurance, we offer low-interest, long-term loans, which provide resources to rebuild, typically in cases where you have no other place to turn. Our rates are, of course, much cheaper than you would get on a credit card or some of those other resources. We can go out as long as 30 years in terms of how long the loan lasts. And so we see ourselves as part of the long-term recovery function. And then finally, after you have dealt with a disaster and you get back to some kind of a normal business operation, of course, we have all sorts of business resources for those normal business operations, and you can find out more at sba.gov. We have lending resources and other sorts of capital for businesses. We have counseling and training resources, whether it is social media, marketing, or accounting, those sorts of things. And then finally, we have resources for seeking government contracts. All those together, I think, present a great package of resources for small business people. And again, we'd encourage you to check those out at sba.gov.